Welcome to the night three, man. What's East says We got the Digiorno pizza. My mama made this. She always burn it. I wish she would have just let me make it. Make it nice and right. But we gonna try it though. It's hot. Look at the bottom. It's good. It's good. Brown, you have one of these pizzas. You have one of these pizzas. She left it in there too long. I don't know why she like it burnt. It's well done. It's alright, I guess. I need some ranch. Y'all comment below. Y'all like ranch on y'all pizza? I know I do. It ain't that burnt. I gotta go grocery shopping. We're gonna eat healthy. It's healthy. That microwave get hot. Look at that. Look at them pepperonis, I believe. It's hot. I'm waiting on that Wu-Tang show to come back on, man. I wonder why they stopped at 10 episodes. I think they did that with BMF too. Stopping at 10 episodes. It was hot. I'm gonna get into that power book too. Got Mary J. Blige in there. Mary J. Blige could act. She was in that Umbrella Academy. I wonder when they having that come back on. Mary J. Blige. Umbrella Academy is real good. I can't wait. Oh man. This pizza's hot as hell. Yeah, I like watching TV shows. I ain't really into movies. That Bel Air, I'm waiting on that to come back on. I think they stopped that. Yeah, Doc, like he a real scumbag. They finally finding out. And my thing is about Will. Uncle Phil told you not to tell nobody. Like, why are you opening up to him? That's crazy. Had you on the edge of your seat for that next episode. Yeah, Bel Air is good. I'm waiting on the Oval to come back on. Oval is good. It's like a ghetto ass soap opera. Waiting on that to come back on. All these shows, they leaving you off. Like, just leaving you off on the edge of your seat. How like the season ends. It's crazy. I'm looking forward to all that. And then Ruthless. When is Ruthless gonna come back on? Tyler Perry killing it. Tyler Perry killing it with the shows. Tyler Perry and 50 Cent, they killing it with the show. Then the Raising Canaan, I'm waiting on that. Somebody said, somebody said 50 Cent was gonna do a show like based on O Block. He was gonna play King Von. Rest in peace, his soul. That's crazy. 50 Cent is genius. He could play any role. He could play any role. And he did more for the black community than a lot of these rappers ever did. He giving people jobs, opportunities, helping people out, helping their families and stuff like that, putting them in a position to win. 50 Cent, real dude. I always liked the 50. Everybody know his movie, like everybody know his music is legendary, but his acting and his directing and putting people in position, like that's what it's really about. 50 to go. But yeah, man, I don't eat the crust. I'm done with this, y'all. I sent Digiorno slice of pizza, well done. Y'all like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Signing out.